Hello, I'm Big Truss Trading, and today we are going to go live trading. We have a few prop firms and a few good charts that we're going to be looking at, and yeah, let's just dive right in. Let's make sure it works today. This is the mistake we had yesterday. I think we first have to load it in like this, and then it should work. Okie dokie, now let's begin. So our Apex account, we just beat a few more challenges. Due to this huge manipulation drop, we almost got fucked and we are down quite a bit, approximately 3,000 on our top step. So we needed to return back to the 200s and we will be positive for the day. All this negative volume, it doesn't seem that way, but 4 o'clock is when Japan starts entering. And that is going to be our blessing in disguise. We have a few more Apex accounts we need to beat. Let me just make sure. Gonna put out the notes, figure out which ones are which. Okay, so 263, 262. These are all $20. A $20 win gets us those accounts. So here, create new notes. Okay. Two, five, six. 256 and 259, 256, 259. 259, 260, 261, 260, 261, 262. Okay, that's the first bracket. So 256. Then here we got 259, 260, 261, and 262. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's called 50. Save. We'll put this in. 256. Go into advanced options. Simple bracket. So take profit is 1, 2, 3, 4 would be 20. 8, 12. 12 ticks. That's all we need. And oh god. 256 was the one that we started with. Okay, log in. Okay, let's see what's going on. It's a little bit slow. Let's hopefully works out. NQZ. Loan order filled. NQZ. Did we actually already get out of the trade? Okay, let's see. Did we get all of them done? $264 completed. 262 completed. 256 complete. Okay, perfect. Now it's on to our next. This is $350 per trade or per account, which we don't have to do in one trade, but we can try. This is 263. 265. 266. 267. 268. 269. 270, 271, 272, 270, 271, 272, 273. Okay, and 273. Let's add all of these into our copy trader. Let's update this thing first. We go 263. 4 o'clock is right around the corner. We could use those first few minutes to get a good pump in. So back to it. 263. And QZ. Copy trade. Place it right there. So got it. And QZ. Now we need 263 is the one we're using. 265, 266, 267, 268, 269, 270, 71, 72, and 73. We need 300 points. Or we need, could actually go for that max pointage. So if you do a simple bracket, each 4 points, here, each 4 points calculator is 1 pip. So let's go 400 divided by, we need 400 pretty much. If it just hits the target, we make every account. So let's think about this. 400 divided by 4 divided by 20. Wow, okay, so $5 divided by 400. 400 divided by 5 is 80. So we need 80 pips, which is 20. 80. So Asian market's about to open. That's all good. Don't need to do anything yet. Reach this green line up here and we'll be done with this. We're in a 5-second chart though, so let's zoom out a bit, see what we got here. We'll go for it. 154. And of course, instantaneously we get shat on. Breaks the VWAP, it's coming down. Otherwise, if it stays strong, we're going up and we're moving up to that level. Okay, we're breaching through it, not good. We're adding more pips to our actual challenge. So we're pretty much down 10 points right now. It was too greedy right there. Wait, what? We would have made it if we went short. Now we're having a little problem. Doesn't breach right now the 128 mark. We actually are okay in this trade. There's so much negative volume. I don't even know why I went long. That was a huge mistake, to be quite honest. Just recoup these points. Break or even trade would be beautiful on a mishap like that. Oh no. 2-8. Come on, do not break 2-8. We got 1 minute for the Japanese market to come in. Let's hopefully not get crushed here. Gotta actually hold my finger ready on the sell button because if the Asian market opens and we just get completely destroyed, that would be horrible. But it could also help us out. First 15 minutes are very important to figure out the ranges. Last time it shot up like crazy. And here we got 4 o'clock. Let's see what happens. Come on. Looking good. We were down 20 points. This would have been the win if we actually were patient and waited for a second. And now it's looking better. VWAP again. Don't get rejected and go bullish. That would be beautiful. We're 254 entry. Come on, don't do this. This cannot be. Market's kind of figuring itself out. All these shorts, actually, it's good that the Asian market opened because that means the shorts will be bought, leading the market to kind of increase a little bit. That would be my expectation here. The early bird gets the worm, so whoever is first kind of gets the good trades. $28 still to mark. If it breaches 28, I'm out. Come on, please don't. There's a reversal. $28 was breached. Slightly touched and went back up. Let's make this more visible for everyone to see what happens here. 28 breach, not good. 24 is our last one. We have to get out of this trade. Hope it's range bound. Okay, seems like the Asian market is not a friend of the Nasdaq today. And our indicators pop for short. Come on. Breaches this is a positive, otherwise we're gonna crash down like crazy. It's very important that we make it through this. Beautiful. It's actually a very optimistic move. Come on, don't be a fake out. It's a fake out.
Mom, or one other.
Breach. Now let it move. Okay. We're a little bit safer now. Just has to confirm over that next line. Can be okay. Okay, so I am back. We need this VWAP to be broken so we see some kind of confirmation. If we wanted to put these lines in, we gotta think too, this is the first 15 minutes of the Japanese Open. So maybe they will actually determine where we truly will go. All we need in this trade right now is $400, which is quite a lot to be honest. But let's just hope. We're in a shitty position because we're in at 54. We're 56.5. Jesus. So if this move doesn't go in our favor right now and comes back down, we slowly can think about getting out of the market. Taking a few good losses during the combine is always okay. Okay, right now we're moving up a little bit. All we need to get up to is 76. So let's show you guys. We are there, and we're targeting only 76. So 76, 77, perfect. So that is all we're targeting. If it hits that, we have our combine done. And we have 10 combines right now. And our real account is not affected by this trade. Come on. We dealt the drawdown, did enough technical analysis, that's why this breakout is so gorgeous. But now, come on, 76, up to this line. Give us a little bit more push. This is when we activate our good old volume delta candles. And this is not good. But actually it could be, because it's just liquidity at the end of the day. Bubbles are liquidity. If the move is crazy upwards, we'll see the volume change as well on the 1 minute. Yep, that's actually positive. Did we hit it? 76 we hit. There we go. Akinashi horizontal. This should be it. I think that's all of them. There should be 19 new combines coming in tomorrow. Wow, beautiful. Let me check real quick though. Did we actually get it? 38.8. All over 3. Okay, I think that means tomorrow we start with that many combines. Now we gotta go check. We can go on to my trusty, reliable favorite one. Let me put in the password for this. C9. So we start the day off with a shitter, but that is okay. VEM. Oops. Probably shouldn't be giving my password away. So here, we'll switch it up. This is, I'm going to close this for now unless this is helpful for anyone. And actually, let's end that live video here. And hopefully that helps you in any way. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I hope that was helpful. And sometimes you just gotta take some risks, and I can help you with anything you need, with indicators or with good old trading. So if you need any help, just write something in the comments and I'll gladly help. Peace out. Have a good one.